Friends, we might have a lot of skills, but they only turn into income when someone sees enough value in them to pay for what we can offer. As freelancers, we are essentially trading our skills for money. So the most important point is to learn where to find work and how to find work that matches our skills. And secondly, connecting with clients who are willing to pay for what we can do for them. This is exactly what we are going to discuss today. Hello friends, I am Margaret. I have been working as an independent freelancer with overseas clients worldwide for over 12 years, and freelancing is my full-time career. In today's video in this series, I am going to break down exactly how and where to get freelance work step by step. Whether you are a complete beginner or you have been trying for a while, by the end of this video, you will know the exact process to start landing clients and getting freelance work. Step 1. Pick your niche. You will often hear the word niche in freelancing. It basically means your area of expertise. There are two ways to say it. You could either pronounce it as niche, which rhymes with ditch, or you could say niche, that rhymes with leash. Both pronunciations are correct, so you can just use the one that feels natural to you. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is saying they can do anything and everything if hired. But this is not true. If you try to be a writer, a designer, a marketer, and video editor all at once, clients won't know why they should hire you. Instead, pick one skill to start with. For example, if you're good at writing, you can focus on blog articles, copywriting, or social media posts. If you're good at design, you could choose logos, branding, or web design. If you're into tech, you can specialize in web development or app development. The more specific you are, the easier it is for clients to see your value. Step 2. Build a portfolio. Now you might be thinking, but I don't have any clients yet. How do I make a portfolio? That is actually easy. Just create sample work. If you're a designer, make mock logos for imaginary companies. If you're a writer, publish sample articles on your own free blog. If you're a video editor, re-edit a commercial or make a few short YouTube clips. The goal here isn't to show you have been paid before. The goal is to show proof of skill. Even 2 to 4 solid samples can make you look professional. Step 3. Set up your online profiles. Once you have a portfolio, it's time to set up shop. And yes, you can do that completely free without having to spend any money. Here are a few places you can start. Firstly, create an account and set up your profile on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. You can start with any one of these and then gradually expand into more platforms. I put together an information-packed cheat sheet about the popular freelance platforms and niches. It will give you a clear idea about what types of work do best on each platform and the pros and cons of each. It will help you choose the platform that actually matches your skills and goals to get started and then expand later. You can download the cheat sheet for free. Simply leave a comment, then check the video description to get your copy. Next, set up your profile on LinkedIn, where businesses are already looking for talent. It is good to have a LinkedIn profile right from the beginning. The next thing you can do is to have your own website. Having your own website instantly makes you look more professional. But if you're just starting out, there is no need to spend money on a domain and hosting right away. Instead, you can create a clean, simple portfolio site using free tools like Canva, and that will work perfectly to showcase your skills. Wherever you create your profile, make sure your profile has the following things. Number 1, a professional looking photo. Secondly, a headline that clearly says what you do. For example, if you're a writer, you could say, I help businesses grow with engaging blog content. Thirdly, a short, results-focused description. A short and concise description that is focused on results is one of the most important parts of your freelancer profile. Be Think of it as your chance to quickly show clients why they should hire you. Instead of just listing your skills or experience, focus on the results you can deliver. Remember, clients are buying the outcomes you can create for them. For example, instead of saying, I am a writer with 5 years of experience, you could say, I write blog posts that help businesses increase website traffic and generate more leads. By highlighting tangible benefits, you make it clear to clients exactly why your services are valuable, and that's what will get them to reach out to you. I have a dedicated video on how to build a good profile in this series. I have discussed all of these things in much detail, and you can check out the video. Step 4. Start pitching and applying. Now that your online profiles are ready, it is time to start applying and pitching. Platforms like Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, all let freelancers offer services, but they do it differently. At Fiverr, you set up gigs, which are predefined services or packages, and clients, that is buyers, come to buy it. It is a productized system. Upwork is mainly focused on client-posted jobs that freelancers apply to. However, Upwork also has a feature called Project Catalog, which works like Fiverr gigs. So you can create fixed price service packages that clients can directly purchase. Freelancer.com is also primarily focused on job postings where clients post projects and freelancers bid. But they also have a services feature similar to Fiverr gigs, but currently it's not as prominent as Fiverr's model. So, firstly, you can set up gigs on one or more of these platforms. Secondly, you can start applying to the jobs posted by clients. Hundreds of jobs are posted every single day on these platforms, and you can apply to jobs posted in your particular category or niche. Thirdly, coming to LinkedIn, well, you can use LinkedIn's Open to Work feature, build authority with content, leverage the job board, and you can also network strategically. Don't wait for clients to discover you. Identify decision makers or HRs in companies you'd like to work with and send a personalized message that highlights how you can help. Be proactive and start sending. A pitch doesn't have to be long. Just introduce yourself, explain how you can help with their problem, and share a sample of your work. Here's a quick example. Hi John, I noticed you're looking for blog writers. I specialize in writing engaging articles that bring in traffic. Here's a recent sample. If you'd like, I'd be happy to write a test piece for you. So you see, simple, direct, and focused on value. Step 5. Deliver and build relationships. Landing your first client is exciting, no doubt, but that is just the beginning. Always deliver on time, communicate clearly, and if possible, go above and beyond what they expected. When clients are happy, they'll leave reviews, give you referrals, and even offer you repeat projects. That's how you build a stable flow of freelance work. Step 6. Keep growing. Once you've got a few clients under your belt, it's time to grow. Raise your rates as your skills improve, expand your portfolio, and maybe even specialize further. For example, instead of just being a writer, you could become a SEO blog writer for tech startups. The more niche and skilled you get, the more you can charge and the less competition you'll face. So, to quickly recap, pick your niche, build a portfolio, set up your profiles, start pitching, deliver and build relationships, keep growing. Freelancing isn't about luck, it's about being consistent, positioning yourself well, and showing proof of skill. If you start today and stick with it, you'll be surprised at how quickly you can land your first clients. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe if you want honest tips about freelancing, and drop a comment below telling me what niche you are starting with and which platform you are thinking of trying first. I'd love to hear from you and reply to your queries. Gain practical insights from a seasoned freelancer with over a decade of hands-on experience working directly with offshore clients. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos in this series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.